Beneath the bustling landscapes of the central Bohemian region in the Czech Republic, a remarkable piece of history has come to light. While construction crews prepared the groundwork for the planned Prague Ring Road near the town of Nupaki, archaeologists made an extraordinary discovery. A 7,000-year-old settlement that offers a glimpse into the lives of our distant ancestors. The findings have sent ripples through the archaeological community, revealing layers of human history that span millennia. At the heart of this settlement are 8 long columnar structures, remnants of a community that thrived during the late Neolithic to early Chalcolithic periods. These structures are more than just ancient ruins. They tell a story of ingenuity and survival. Within the settlement, archaeologists uncovered evidence of storage and waste pits, hinting at the daily routines of its inhabitants. Yet, the most intriguing discovery lies in what appears to have been an ancient workshop. Monika Psolavkova, a leading archaeologist from the Czech Academy of Sciences, described the significance of the workshop. Numerous stone axes and axe hammers, including semi-finished and discarded pieces, indicate a local hub for producing tools from polished stone, she explained. These artifacts not only highlight the technological skills of the community, but also suggest that this settlement may have played a key role in regional trade and industry during its time. The evidence of the workshop is particularly revealing about the economic dynamics of the era. The polished stone tools were likely not only used locally, but also traded with neighboring communities. Such items, especially tools with intricate craftsmanship, could have been highly valuable commodities. This discovery challenges long-held assumptions about the scale of trade networks during the Neolithic period. The Nupaki settlement might have been a hub where local resources were transformed into goods of regional importance, reinforcing the idea that even early societies participated in surprisingly complex economic systems. But the surprises didn't stop there. In the same area, researchers uncovered remnants of a Hallstatt village dating back to the transition between the Late Bronze Age and the Iron Age, around the 7th century BC, 5th century BCE. The Hallstatt culture, which dominated Western and Central Europe during this era, is renowned for its advancements in metallurgy, art, and trade. Traces of this ancient village include 10 partially sunken houses, settlement pits, troughs, and fragments of above-ground structures. These findings paint a vivid picture of a thriving community, deeply interconnected with the cultural and economic networks of its time. The Hallstatt culture is famous for its intricate burial practices, and while no burial sites have yet been identified in this particular area, similar settlements have yielded burial mounds that provide invaluable insights into social hierarchy and religious beliefs. The potential for such a discovery at Nupaki adds another layer of anticipation to ongoing excavations. If burial sites are found, they could reveal the rituals and spiritual practices of the inhabitants, shedding light on how they viewed life, death, and the afterlife. The artifacts unearthed from the Hallstatt village provide even more clues about the lives of its inhabitants. Coarse kitchen ceramics, finely crafted tableware, spindle whorls, and small tools made of iron and bronze reveal a society that balanced practicality with artistry. Among the most striking discoveries were clay and glass beads, as well as a kylix handle, a type of wine-drinking vessel commonly associated with the Adriatic region. These items suggest that the people of this village engaged in long-distance trade, connecting them to Mediterranean cultures far beyond their immediate surroundings. The presence of Mediterranean artifacts, such as the kylix, suggests that the Hallstatt villagers were participants in a vibrant trade network that extended well beyond their immediate borders. Such networks likely facilitated the exchange of not only goods, but also ideas, technologies, and cultural practices. The Mediterranean connection is particularly intriguing, as it implies that the villagers were aware of and perhaps influenced by the larger civilizations of the time. This raises fascinating questions about how cultural exchanges shaped the development of local traditions and technologies. Adding to the intrigue is the discovery of bronze horse falere, decorative ornaments often used in ceremonial or military contexts. These artifacts hint at the presence of a higher-ranking individual within the community, possibly a leader or a figure of significant social standing. Together, these findings weave a rich narrative of a society that was both rooted in its local environment and connected to the broader cultural currents of its time. The craftsmanship of the recovered artifacts is astounding, reflecting a deep understanding of material science and artistic expression. For example, the finely crafted tableware unearthed at the site demonstrates a level of sophistication that implies not only functionality, but also an appreciation for aesthetic beauty. The clay and glass beads, likely used as personal adornments or as symbols of status, further highlight the community's participation in cultural practices that transcend mere survival. Each item carries with it the whispers of a bygone era, inviting modern observers to ponder the lives and aspirations of those who created and used these objects. In yet another corner of the excavation site, archaeologists stumbled upon a series of deep, circular pits, measuring between 2 and 5 meters in diameter. Dating these features proved challenging due to the scarcity of artifacts within the pits, but researchers were able to estimate their origins to the 13th century. The function of these pits remains a topic of debate, but one compelling theory is that they were used for gold prospecting or mining in the gravel sand terraces of the nearby Pitkavicki stream. This connection to medieval mining activities adds yet another layer of complexity to the site's history, bridging ancient and medieval eras. The possibility of gold mining activities opens an entirely new chapter in the story of this region. Gold has always held a special allure for humanity, not only as a material of intrinsic value, but also as a symbol of power and influence. The presence of these pits suggests that the area may have been part of a broader network of resource extraction, connecting medieval communities to economic systems that spanned great distances. This interplay between local activity and larger trade networks mirrors the dynamics observed in earlier periods of the site's history, underscoring the region's enduring importance. Another fascinating aspect of this discovery is the evidence of sustained human activity in the region across vastly different time periods. The juxtaposition of Neolithic settlements, a Hallstatt village, and medieval mining pits provides a rare opportunity to study the evolution of human societies in one geographic location. By examining the transitions between these layers of history, researchers can gain valuable insights into how communities adapted to changing environments, technologies, and socio-political contexts over thousands of years. The discoveries at Nupaki not only shed light on the lives of the people who once inhabited this region, but also underscore the rich tapestry of human history that lies hidden beneath our feet. Each artifact, from the humble kitchenware to the ornate horse ornaments, tells a story of innovation, trade, and cultural exchange. The settlement's proximity to natural resources and trade routes likely made it a focal point for various cultures over thousands of years, leaving behind a mosaic of historical layers that continue to fascinate and inspire. The site's significance extends beyond its individual finds. It serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving and studying archaeological sites. As construction and development continue to reshape our modern landscapes, discoveries like this one emphasize the delicate balance between progress and heritage. By carefully excavating and analyzing these ancient remains, archaeologists not only protect the legacy of our ancestors, but also enrich our understanding of the human journey. As archaeologists continue to analyze the site, their findings promise to deepen our understanding of the ancient world. The tools, structures, and artifacts uncovered here serve as a bridge to the past, connecting us to the ingenuity and resilience of our ancestors. Who knows what other secrets lie buried, waiting to be uncovered in the pursuit of progress? One thing is certain: the story of Nupaki is far from over, and its mysteries continue to unfold, one discovery at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. If you enjoyed exploring the fascinating history of this ancient settlement, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Historical Highway for more stories from history's hidden corners. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the highways of history.